Goblin's Secrets. One night, not long ago, Peter Goblin went a-calling, said Daddy. From house to house he went, and in every house he went to the bedsides of the little boys and girls and invited them to go on the greatest coasting party of the year. "We are going to coast," said Peter, "down the Hill of Dreams." They all put their sleds together and down the Hill of Dreams they went until they reached the valley below. "Down this valley all the dreams come," said Peter Goblin. "Then our goblin dream workers must tie them up into little packages for every nice dream must be saved. It must be made to come true someday or sometime, that is, if it's all for the very best that it should come true. For the goblins are wise little creatures." And as the children watched the goblin dream workers, they certainly decided they looked very bright indeed. They tie the dreams into the little packages and then the goblin visitors take them back to the land of children and drop them in their bedrooms at night as they sleep. "But," said the boys and girls, "we've never seen packages like these." "No," said Peter Goblin. "In one of these packages a good many dreams will come true, and so the contents of the package are dropped, some parts in the corners, some around the ceiling. And one by one they come out into the room later on when they're coming true. So on our way back tonight," said Peter, "a lot of us will lead you to your little rooms and we'll drop the contents of the packages of dreams which will sometime come true. But now we must be off for more coasting. Hurrah! Hurrah!"